Hey everyone, so today's video we have a molt to share with you. My Nhandu Chromatus, the white striped bird eater. Nadia, remember I showed you on Thursday she was in heavy pre-molt? Well, did take her long to finally molt. Since she's lying on the far end corner of the shoebox, and she's molting out right now. As you can see, we have all the Chloracera out. She's moving, so that's good. Very cool. And if you guys remember the music that's coming from, it's actually Zelda's Skyward Sword. I'm playing it right now. So it's 1 o'clock, exactly 1 p.m., and we're going to document to see how long this Chromatus takes. She's about 3.5 inches. I'm assuming that when she comes out of her molt, she might be close to 4.5 inches. Alright, so it's 1:28 p.m. and you can see Nadia is pretty much fully out. You can note her legs and how vibrant they are. Close up of her fangs. Yeah, she's getting pretty big now. Alright, that's so far so good. And it's 1:36. And she's finally done. And there you have it. She finally turned herself over. Man, is she ever pretty. So I'm going to wait till she moves out of the way, and then I'll pull up the molt, and then sex it for you guys. Alright, so she finally molted, and she's all pretty good now. Measuring her, she looks to be, because she's not fully stretched out, so I would say a good 4 inches would be a good estimate. Alright, let's check the molt. Molt's intact, so it's a great skin. I didn't have to use the soap and water technique. So she was a little over 4 inches. As you can see, I measure from tip of the leg, the front leg, to the tip of the last leg. So that's about 11 centimeters, which is roughly around 4. So I guess 4.5 might be actually more accurate. Alright, so now it comes to sexing the tea now. A lot of people have asked me how to sex teas, and this is how I do it. Again, of course, I'm going to put this video both in the tarantula molting playlist as well as the sexing video playlist, so you can see how I sex them. I always sex it by their molts because they're almost 95% accurate. Ventral sexing is not really that accurate, so this is how I rely on. So, as you know, a female will have the characteristic flap, known as a spermathecae, between the second and first and second pair of book lungs. Males will have none. So, as I'm looking at my specimen on Nadia, you can see, I would say right here, you can see the prominent flap over here. So this indicates a female. I don't think it's mature yet. And if it is a male, it's not mature because I don't see any tibial hooks or bulbous pedipalps, so yeah, it's pretty cool. Last year she was about 1.5 inches, and right now she's like 4 inches. Cool. I want to thank everyone who's been very supportive both to me and my grandfather. Fortunately, if you haven't read the bulletin that I posted yesterday on my channel, he unfortunately passed away Friday morning at 2:10 a.m. in his sleep. That infection really got him, and there was nothing that the doctors could have done. So, you know, it's taken me a while to realize that he passed away, and, you know, it's such a shame, though, because today is my grandmother's birthday, so it's what a perfect present that she got. But, you know, life's cruel, and life's very harsh, but as Ray from the Trailer Parks boy always says, it's the way she goes, bud. The way she goes. yeah, it's really sad. You know, it's the hardest video I have to make today, right after he died, and after that I became really sick. I have a fever that's up and down, and my flu is really getting to me now. So I might actually stop making videos for a few days, or maybe not. Depends on how I feel. So, Bloom is the G. rosea red form that you've seen during Thursday's feeding video. And he's a male, and of course Bloom is a female's name. So you know what? I thought it should be best to name him after my grandfather, Morris Rose. Morris had the heart of gold. Everyone cherished him and loved him. And it's sad. It's sad, really, and always trust his memories. So I'm going to name him after this guy. Although this rose hair is evil, I don't care. At least I have another Morris by side me. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. If I do catch Charlotte molting, I'll definitely post a video on that. Alright, see you guys.